Hello, welcome. So today I'm going to show you how to email your presentation in one click. So you need not to save this document. Is when you go to your email, login, then attach, upload it, then attach it, then send it to you via your email. You can be able to use it. You can be able to share it in one click. So what we are going to do is just to add some two functionality to our PowerPoint, so we are able to share directly uh, uh, via the PowerPoint Windows or window or on the as on the PowerPoint screen. So as you can be able to see on top here where my mouse is, you can be able to see we have what we call a customized quick access toolbar, but we want to have it down here, right? We want to have it below here so that we are able to see the icons properly. So we are going to move our quick access toolbar below. Once that is added, then we are going to add uh, two options: sending the PDF via email, and sending PDF via email as a PDF attachment. So those are the two things that you're going to see or get to learn today. So click on the down arrow, then go to more commands, then add email. This also works very well with people who are using Outlook. Then go to all commands, change to all commands. Then you scroll downwards or scroll down to email as PDF. Then add, then click OK. So once the two options are added, you can be able to see here the two options already added perfectly. So click on share directly via email. Then you see you are able to send. You can only just add the email address to whom you are sending it to. But remember, when you are sending directly to via email or through email, it will just pick the PDF presentation. That's the way it is. But now, because you are done and this is your hard work, and you don't want people to interfere with it, at a point, what you need to do is attach it as a PDF so that it is not when the team receive it, they can't interfere with it. It's in a PDF format, so you can be able to send it in PDF format. So that's what you can be able to do. That's what I wanted us to learn today. See you in the next video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.